Hey everyone, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Ali.
And we're both a part of the Finder Insurance team. We're going to be honest with you, shopping for car insurance can be overwhelming, tedious, and at times a bit boring. But it's something that everyone with a car has to do.
Luckily, we consider reading about car insurance to be one of our favourite pastimes. Seriously. So let's cut through the fat. It's time to learn about car insurance in under 3 minutes.
So first we have compulsory third-party insurance, otherwise known as CTP or Green Slip. This bad boy is mandatory for every driver in Australia. CTP covers your liability for someone else's injuries in an accident. So basically, if you get into a car crash and the other driver is hospitalised, this cover will cover the medical expenses.
But CTP won't cover the damages to your car or theirs. So if you get into an accident with a flash new Lamborghini, or you're lucky enough to own one, then you're going to have to pay for the damages right out of your own pocket. Unless you've got
third-party property damage insurance.
That's a mouthful.
This level of cover isn't mandatory, but if you want to avoid getting in a financial pickle, it's a pretty good idea.
It'll also cover you for any damages you might cause to someone else's vehicle or property as a result of an accident. So remember that Lamborghini that we were just talking about? Your insurer should cover you for that. What legends?
But hold on to your seats, guys, there's more. Unless you've got third-party fire and theft policies, the chances are that you're still going to be out of pocket after an accident. Car insurance policies aren't very cryptic, so as the name suggests, you're covered for fire and theft, which are two of the more common things that can happen to your car in an accident. You'll also be covered for the perks of a third-party property damage policy.
It's a pretty good option for those who can't afford a comprehensive policy but need a little bit more protection than a third-party property damage policy. Not too much, not too little, it's just right. Even Goldilocks would approve.
But if you have the budget for it, comprehensive car insurance is the way to go. This one is basically the bee's knees of car insurance policies.
Bees don't have knees.
Think of it as that best mate that's always there to get you out of trouble.
This bad boy covers you for a bunch of things. Collision, the cost of repairing or replacing your car, plus any damages to other people's property. Accidental damage, like the time you accidentally backed into the pole in the car park. Severe weather damage, like floods, storm damage, hail, and more. And third-party property damage, aka legal liability.
Many comprehensive policies will also cover you for things like if you lose your keys, need emergency repairs, towing expenses, and roadside assistance. Also, some policies will give you a Swish replacement vehicle if your car does need to be repaired overnight. So, what have we learnt?
Number 1, you need to have CTP if you want to drive a car. 2, third-party property damage policies will cover someone else's Lamborghini but not your own. 3, Goldilocks approves of fire and theft policies. And 4, comprehensive is the bee's knees.
But long story short, no matter what car insurance policy you decide to take out, it's important to compare your options online using Finder and get the best value for your money.